So guys, are you tired of seeing channels you don't like every day? In this video, I'll be showing you how to block YouTube channels so that you stop seeing those channels you don't want on your timeline. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here, I talk about ways you can make money online, how-to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value. Alright, so for you to do this, there are 3 ways to go about this, and I'll be showing that right away. So let's assume I want to block this channel. I don't want to be seeing content from this channel. Can you see this particular one on my screen right now? So the first way you can go about this is by clicking on these 3 dots by the side of this video. Once you click on that, then you come down. Can you see right here we have don't recommend channel. Don't recommend channel. So that means henceforth I will not be seeing any content from that channel. It will help YouTube understand that you don't like this channel's content, and they will no longer show you content from that channel. So that's the first way to go about it. So just go ahead and click on don't recommend channel. Can you see they said we won't recommend videos from this channel to you again? Can you see that? Very simple. So let me just undo it. So the second thing you can do if you don't want to be seeing a particular content, so this second one is by you clicking on these 3 dots again. Once you click on it, you can click on not interested. Once you click on not interested, it means that YouTube will stop showing you related content. Like, they won't show you content related to this kind of topic again. Do you understand? So once I click on not interested, can you see that? Video removed. So, and they said undo or tell us why. I can go ahead and tell them why I don't want that video. So if I click on tell us why, can you see I've already watched the video. I don't like the video. So for you, just go ahead and click on I don't like the video. And henceforth, you no longer see such kind of videos on your timeline. Like, this one is not just limited to the channel, it revolves around every content that is about that topic. They'll stop showing you content related to that topic. So let me go back and undo this. Now the third thing you can do is, let's assume there's a particular person that always drop negative comments on your videos, and you want to block such person from commenting on your videos. So the way you go about that is just go ahead and open that person's channel. Do you understand? Once you open the person's channel, so click on these 3 dots up here. Once you click on that, so you can see where we have hide user from my channel. Hide user from my channel. So once you click on this, it means this person will no longer see your content. This person will be unable to comment on your videos, and even if you are doing live streaming, this person will not also see it. So just go ahead and also click on this. Can you see they said hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel? So I can go ahead and click on hide user, and henceforth the person will no longer drop comments on my videos. So that's basically how you go about blocking channels and blocking users from your own channel. So I believe you got value from this video. If you do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.